Okay, my job is basically done. So now we have a little more prep and demo to do. Actually, Ashley has been eager, we'll say, to get this closet cleared out. And what I mean is getting rid of the old nasty carpet, pulling down these shelves, and also taking the rest of this quarter round trim off the ceiling. So, since Ashley has been begging for this to be done for so long, I'm gonna see if she can do it.
Wow. All of it?
Yeah, this is your demo job.
Okay, I need gloves then.
Are you up for the challenge?
Yeah.
Good. I would keep working the top. I think you're moving down too fast. Try to keep that going. Once you get the top nails out, you'll feel a difference. See, when you feel the nails come out, it really makes a difference.
Yeah. It's not easy for me to push with one arm.
Oh.
You know, I'm not a man here. I can't do the same techniques you do.
Surprisingly, a lot of demo is technique, and you learn it over time of where to pry, how to pry.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's better to pull the pry bars, sometimes push. It's kind of an art form. Oh, I thought that was gonna come and slap me. I was like... And can I just show you something? This is what I'm talking about. Look how wide they frame their doorways.
It's like 1.5 inches.
I mean, there's so much room on either side.
Yeah. They could have put a bigger door in.
Yeah. Now the moment that you've been waiting for.
Yeah. Ew.
They probably have little staples in it along the edge, so you'll have to just rip them off.
It's like a hump.
Must have been moisture in the closet that buckled the wood there.
Yeah. Just getting a feel for this stuff.
Yeah.
I don't know what I'm doing. It's like tucked under.
Yeah, it's weird how they did that. And usually carpets just pull right out. They got this thing. Well, look at this. They have a tack strip, but they also have staples along the wall.
Yeah.
So you're fighting staples. That's why.
I got a staple here.
Yeah. They just went staple crazy.
And a closet, too.
Yeah. Wow, it's staples everywhere. Boy, we sure gave Mommy the tough job.
Yeah.
Mommy said.
Plus it's folded. So then you gotta get the next layer, you know?
Mommy said did that first.
Still hard though.
Save it for last.
It's like, how do you pry? There's no room. This way. Did I get like the most difficult carpet ever?
Yes.
Even you've never had one this hard.
How about if you let Daddy do it?
No, I have to do it.
Why?
I have to persevere.
I can't believe the way they did this. All folded over and stapled everywhere. That's weird.
Yeah. Oh, it's like every inch there's a new staple. I'm supposed to go around this whole thing? Maybe it'll get easier when I can have more
Yeah.
of this loose to grab onto.
But look at how bad the finish is on this wall.
Ew, it's nasty.
It's like dripping everywhere. It's like they got to the closet and they just didn't care.
They just threw it in here.
Look how damp the wood is in here. And I don't know if it's just carpet nastiness or mold, but all this wood is heavily buckled, all these dark edges. I'm going to try to show it. I don't know if I'll be able to show it, but
Yeah, every seam has a hump.
something on it. I don't know. I got nothing straight here, but it's everything's cupped heavily. Humps at every crack.
Yep. There we go. I'll just have to work my way around. I think. That works. At least now we'll know how to do the other two closets. What?
You know what I see under here?
What?
It looks like a light bright peg, but like a newer one. Or is it just broken?
Broken.
Yeah.
Oh, can I put in my treasure sets?
Yeah. I don't know what that is.
No idea. I feel like you're almost done.
Yep. We're on the cusp. Okay, I got staples in the middle of the carpet.
At least there's no padding.
Oh yeah. Can I grab this thing yet? Oh, this floor is nasty in here. Okay. Oh. Watch out, I'm throwing it out the window.
I want to see this.
And look at all the tack strips.
Yeah.
They're like all nasty.
Well, not what I wanted to see inside the closet.
No.
All these boards are pretty damaged.
We have to take them out.
All because of carpet? It's so weird. Did you guys see what I did though? I got my pipe glued up for the vacuum. So we screwed it to the back of the wood like I was saying and glued on the vacuum piping hose. This looks like 2-inch PVC, but it's a thin wall. It's made for vacuum systems. And here's the electrical that we ran up to the light switch. We'll get that patched up soon.
Now we still need to take out the quarter rounds everywhere.
And
And the shelf.
just kick it.
Yeah!
Got it. What do you think?
I don't know how you do a whole room at once. Everything's like over nailed in, over stapled in.
But you've made good progress.
Yeah. At least I'm getting a workout.
What was that?
I don't know.
I see something green flinging.
I don't know. Glasses something.
Is that glow in the dark? Weird.
Okay. Continuing.
We'll find an old culture shop.
Now you're getting it.
Yeah.
You're starting to get into it. You got it to go diagonally in the... You did it.
Yep.
Wow. Nice board. Why hold on to that one?
Now I'm going to get rid of all the quarter rounds.
Least favorite style of trim.
Yeah, I don't like quarter round.
Ash,
Yeah?
what are you doing?
Getting ready to cut this. Does it matter where?
Doesn't matter to me. Just keep it against it so you don't shake all over. Keep it going. Ah. Lift it up. Push it upward.
Why is this so weird?
It's like they had it threaded into the wood.
Everything's always like wedged. Attack.
Oh, it looks really cool and red in here right now on the
Yeah.
camera. Looks like a cedar closet. You got all of it?
Yep.
Well, that closet turned into so much more work than I expected when I gave you the challenge.
Yeah.
So I'm sorry about that. But you did it.
Yeah.
Ashley demoed that whole closet by herself. The painful carpet with all the staples.
Mm-hmm. I thought it'd be so easy, and it turned into like a mess.
The shelf, the trim,
Yep.
everything. So, awesome job. Now the closet floor is a mess. It's actually physically damp. I can feel it touching it. It's a dampness.
That's gross.
So that carpet was holding moisture, and that's kind of weird because we haven't seen any moisture problems anywhere else in the house. So I don't know what... In this closet, it doesn't have a door. So it's not like it's...
Who knows what's going on with that?
Yeah, we'll keep an eye on it, and the wood probably has to come up.
Yeah.
But I'm going to let it dry. We have some time. We'll give it a few days. It's probably going to take more than a few days, but we'll see what the wood does. If this settles down after the moisture gets out of it, it could be salvageable with a sanding.
And spraying some kind of concrobium mold stuff.
Yep, get rid of all the mildew and sand it down and it'll be fine. But if we have to pull it up, we will. My only fear with pulling it up is that it might go under the dividing wall in the closet between the bedrooms. And if this
Oscillate.
Yeah, well, if this one is bad, that means the other one's probably the same way.
Mm.
And that means, like, is it better to cut it out or to take down that wall and pull it all up? Look, we could have a walkway between the rooms. You go this door, you go this way, and you go out that door.
Yeah. I think we're going to leave the quarter rounds that are in the closet, and we'll just paint that, and we don't have to worry about...
Only at the ceiling.
Yeah, the ceiling ones.
So that's how it's looking right now. The bedrooms come together, and we're all excited to see how it comes out. But I think that's all we have for now.
Okay.
So, thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.
See ya.